In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter X post on Visme. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand post that's sized correctly and ready to capture attention. First, head into Visme and search for Twitter X post. You can use the search bar at the top of the templates page. Typing in Twitter X post pulls up designs built for the platform, so you don't have to worry about dimensions or layout issues. Starting with the right category keeps your canvas optimized for the feed and helps your text and visuals look crisp on both mobile and desktop. Next, select the template you want. Hover over a few options to preview their style and pacing. Choose a design that matches your message, whether it's an announcement, a quote, or a quick promo. Look for strong contrast, readable fonts, and a layout with breathing room. If your brand has a bold personality, pick a dynamic design. If it's more minimal, go for something clean and simple. Remember, simpler often performs better in a fast-scrolling feed. Now edit the text, images, and colors to match your content. Click any text box to replace the default copy with your headline or message. Keep it short, punchy, and clear. Use font weights or size to create a visual hierarchy. Make the main point largest and supporting details smaller. For colors, update the palette to align with your brand. Aim for high contrast between text and background so everything is easy to read. If the template image doesn't fit your story, select it and swap it out. You can crop, reposition, or adjust filters to make the overall look cohesive. Keep essential elements centered and away from the edges so nothing gets unintentionally cut off in the feed. Finally, add icons, graphics, or photos from the Assets panel. Open the panel, search for keywords that match your topic, and drag items onto your canvas. Stick to a consistent visual style. If your icons are outlined, keep them all outlined. If they're filled, keep them filled. Resize and rotate thoughtfully, and use alignment guides to keep everything tidy. For photos, choose high-quality images that support your message without overwhelming the text. Limit decorative elements to what enhances clarity, and use transparency or subtle shadows to create depth without clutter. That's the entire process. Search for the right Twitter X post category, pick a template that fits your message, customize the text, images, and colors, and enrich the design with icons, graphics, or photos from the Assets panel. With these steps, you'll create a polished, platform-ready post in minutes.